Hi, good morning to all. I'm here to express our happiness with Linways software technology. Adi Shankara tied up with Linways from the year 2018 onwards. Still, we are very happy with Linways software, academic point of view, at the same time financial point of view also. Their modules are very good, very simple and very user friendly also. So we are all enjoyed to work with Linways software without any much hurdle. At the same time, Linways technology updating their software even frequently also, like 6 months once or 1 year once, and the updated version will be updated to the faculty members for their knowledge. So rightly pointed out, we are very happy with Linways software. Thank you one and all.
Hello, lot to say about Linways. We've been using this from last 2 years and I found a wonderful platform. Of course, this platform has given us an opportunity to cite the progress of our students. The students being able to get each and every progress reports in one shot. Along with that, there was an easy learners progress tracks that we could really generate in that. Performances were easily to map, and it was a one-stop solution which has been able to provide to us on e-learning materials. Students in one go would get their progress, their learning materials, their attendance. Not only that, even the parents were able to understand and to gauge on what they have been doing and how their progresses are being made. For teachers, it's been an extensive journey of giving a solution to students where everything was so transparent, open and flexible. Students were able to see things, and on the way also, as an HOD, as I say that, I was also being able to see each of my faculty progressing and doing their work. In one shot, I really congratulate Linways for doing such a wonderful job, and of course, I wish the best to go in the long way. All the best.
Linways we are using for the last four years at Adi Shankara Institute of Engineering. It is one of the very good ERP software for managing engineering colleges. It integrates various functionalities like admission, departmental administration, learning management system, student feedback, and various other functionalities integrated into one software. We have really used this software for the last 4 years, and there are a lot of benefits by using Linways. We could have effective monitoring, control of various administrative process. We are also generated various management information reports which are basically doing various analysis. It helps to do a real analysis of our operational efficiency. Also, we have improved our efficacy of each department operation by effective management of people. This has resulted implementing a good learning management system, especially for colleges which is going for NBA or other certification. This is a very useful tool. We have also implemented outcome-based education through MBA, which has resulted a better analysis of the program outcome as well as course outcome. We have also improved the admission process. We are also able to monitor various administrative process for the office as well as for each department. I definitely feel Linways is a very good software and a good ERP for any engineering colleges. Thank you.